In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up alerts on Bing. While Bing does not currently offer a service exactly like Google Alerts for tracking keywords across the web, you can still set up notifications in Bing Webmaster Tools. This is a handy way to stay informed about your website's performance and ensure you catch any issues early. Let's dive into the steps together. First, you need to sign in to Bing Webmaster Tools. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you will need to create one. This account will give you access to all Bing services, including Webmaster Tools. Once you are signed in, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can manage your website data. If you're managing multiple websites, make sure you select the correct one. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the alerts you want to configure. Next, click the gear icon, which represents settings. This icon is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking it will open a menu with various options related to your account and website settings. Here, you will find the tools necessary to customize how you receive notifications. Accessing these settings is essential because it allows you to tailor the alerts to match your specific needs, ensuring you only receive relevant information. From there, open Communication Preferences. This section is where you will manage your email notifications and preferences. It's important to take the time to explore this area as it contains the options for the types of alerts you can receive. By adjusting these preferences, you can optimize your alert system to keep you informed without overwhelming your inbox. This little adjustment can save you time later by ensuring you receive only the most pertinent updates. Now, turn on email notifications. This action will enable the alerts to be sent to your registered email address. Once activated, you will start receiving emails based on the preferences you set. It's reassuring to know that by enabling notifications, you are taking a proactive step in managing your website's health and performance. This will help you address any issues promptly and keep your website running smoothly. After that, choose which alerts you want. You can select options such as crawl errors, indexing issues, account alerts, or promotional messages. Each of these alerts serves a different purpose. For instance, crawl errors can help you identify issues that may prevent search engines from properly indexing your site. This step is important because it allows you to focus on the alerts that matter most for your website management. At this point, it's a good idea to review your selections. Make sure that the alerts you have chosen align with your goals for monitoring your website. This ensures you stay informed without being distracted by unnecessary updates. If you ever need to change your preferences, remember that you can return to these settings at any time. Keeping your alert system updated is key to effective website management. Lastly, make sure to save your changes. After you have selected your preferences, look for a Save button or option. This step is critical because it ensures that your new alert settings are applied. Once saved, you will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your changes have been successfully implemented. This final action solidifies your setup and completes the process of establishing alerts on Bing. In conclusion, while Bing does not provide a built-in feature equivalent to Google Alerts for specific keywords, you can still set up valuable notifications through Bing Webmaster Tools. By following these steps, you will be better equipped to monitor your website's performance and address any issues that arise. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you effectively manage your online presence.